Hi, Andrew from Voiceopia here. Today we're going to walk through the configuration of your new voicemail box. First, find and press the envelope button on your phone. When prompted, enter your voicemail passcode. The default voicemail passcode will be your extension number. After this, the voicemail system will guide you through the rest of your first time setup process. You'll make a few recordings beginning with your name, then your unavailable message, and finally your busy message. The system will then ask you for a new voicemail passcode. Note, the system will not allow you to continue to use your extension number as the passcode. Let's walk through that now.
Password. Welcome to Comedian Mail. First, I will guide you through a short setup process. After the tone, say your name, and then press the pound key.
Andrew.
Thank you. Press 1 to accept this recording. Press 2 to listen to it. Press 3 to re-record your message. Your message has been saved. After the tone, say your unavailable message, and then press the pound key.
Hi, you've reached Andrew at Voiceopia. I'm currently unavailable, but if you'll leave your name and number, I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
Thank you. Press 1 to accept this record. Your message has been saved. After the tone, say your busy message, and then press the pound key.
Hi, you've reached Andrew from Voiceopia. I'm currently on the other line, but if you'll leave your name and number, I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
Thank you. Press 1 to accept this recording. Press, your message has been saved. Please enter your new password followed by the pound key. Please re-enter your password followed by the pound key. Your passwords have been changed. You have no messages. Press 2 to change folders.
That's it, your voicemail is all set up. For more information about working with your voicemail, or anything else you can do with your Voiceopia phone, be sure to check out the rest of our videos. If you have any questions, just let us know and we'll be glad to help.